The Calibrex 530 Bottle Top Dispenser is a precision instrument. We begin by connecting the feed tube to the dispenser. As you can see, the feed tube comes at a set length, but can be cut to the desired measurement. We then attach it to the container and screw it on. On the pump, there is a set screw size, but included in the kit there are 3 screw adapters. For this demonstration, this one shall be used. Then the adapter is simply screwed on to the dispenser. The pump can be rotated to any direction for ease of use. We connect the delivery jet on the front of the dispenser. We then adjust the slider to 50 milliliters in this example. The cursor slider can be used to adjust the volume dispensed. Screw off the cap on the front of the delivery jet before dispensing. Then we begin priming. The plunger is raised to fill the chamber, then pushed down again to release the fluids. This is repeated until no air bubbles are visible in the chamber. The air bubbles are visible through the window in the chamber and the window in the delivery jet. The plunger does not need to be raised all the way for priming. When using the dispenser for normal use, the plunger can be raised gently to ensure no air bubbles get trapped in the process. You can use a graduated cylinder to confirm the volume dispensed. In order to move the cursor slider to change the volume desired, the cursor must be pushed down before movement. Otherwise, this will result in a clicking sound which could damage the pump in the future. Maintenance. The cleaning of the dispenser is essential on a daily basis. Remove dispenser from dosing bottle. Thoroughly rinse the unit in hot water. Flush the inside of the unit with hot water by drawing up via the plunger and feeding tube. Troubleshooting. In the event of air bubbles in the system, there may be an issue with the feeding tube. Check that the feeding tube is not damaged or improperly connected. Then prime the dispenser again. In the event of liquid aspiration being impaired, the problem may be due to crystallization or dried residues. To fix this, gently place the dispenser in warm water to allow the residue to dissolve. Gently move the parts as you do so. This may also be due to a blockage in the feeding tube. Remove the feeding tube and clean it with warm water to ensure there are no blockages. If the dispenser is performing irrationally, if there is liquid leaking, or if previously mentioned problems persist after attempting these fixes, please contact your supplier. Thank you for watching.